సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss the laws of transverse vibrations of strings. The laws of transverse vibrations of strings, there are three laws of transverse vibrations of strings. Let us consider this is the string. This is the string. This is the clamped on both the ends. This is the end, this is the end. So this is the string. This is the string. On the string we clamped the mass here, clamped the mass, then here we clamped the mass, then the string very stripped, so the string is loose. Then we apply the mass, the string is stripped. Then this position this is the end, clipped, the string another end. So the string clipped at both ends, and then apply the mass. After apply the mass, the string is very stripped. So we apply the force, the string is vibrating. We applied the force, the string is vibrating. This type of loops vibrating. Then the string is vibrating because this type of vibration. Otherwise this type of vibrations. There are here some parameters. Length of the string is L, and also mass is small m. Then produce the tension T, the stiffness is the tension T, and also vibrate the string, then produce the frequency, that is the nu. There are here 4 parameters, that is the frequency, length, tension, mass. So this is some experimental arrangement of string fixed at both ends and apply the mass. Then the string is stripped, is produce tension, then apply the force and vibrate the string, then they produce the frequency. So here the frequency is changed by mass and length and tension. Okay, in this way there are three laws of transverse vibrations of strings. These are transverse vibrations. Okay, the first law, if the tension of string and mass of string are both constants, tension T and mass m are constants. T and M are constant. Then the frequency is the new frequency is inversely proportional to length of string. This is the first law. First law is the if the tension of string and mass of string are constants, then the frequency is inversely proportional to length of string. This is the length of string. Where the mass is constant, and also tension is constant. When mass is constant, already tension is constant. Tension is changed with mass. So here mass and tensions are constant. The frequency is inversely proportional to length of string. This is the first law. Here T and masses are constants. And second law, if the length of string and mass of string M are constant. So if the length L and mass are constants, this is the condition, length and masses are constant, then frequency is directly proportional to square root of tension. So length and masses are constant, frequency is directly proportional to square root of tension. This is the second law. Here length and masses are constant. This is the second law. Second law is if the length of string L, mass of string M are constant, then frequency nu is directly proportional to square root of tension. This is the second law. Next one, third law. If the tension of string T and length of string L are constant, then the frequency is inversely proportional to square root of mass. So here T and L are constant. The frequency will change with mass. So here frequency nu is inversely proportional to square root of mass. If T and L are constants, frequency is inversely proportional to mass. This is the third law. Then the laws of transverse vibrations of strings, there are three laws. First law is the frequency is inversely proportional to length. Frequency is directly proportional to tension. Frequency is inversely proportional to mass, inversely proportional to mass, and frequency is inversely proportional to length. Frequency is directly proportional to tension, but law is the frequency is directly proportional to square root of tension. Here frequency inversely proportional to mass, the law is the frequency is inversely proportional to square root of mass. Here T and M are constants. Here L and M are constants. Here L and T are constants. So if T, tension, mass are constants, the frequency is inversely proportional to length of string. If length and mass are constants, the frequency directly proportional to square root of tension. If L and tension are constants, frequency is inversely proportional to square root of mass. These are three laws of transverse vibrations of strings.